Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't joined us before, we are Roaming with the Richards. My name is Jonathan, this is my wife Angelica. We are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg to ride their brand new roller coaster, Big Bad Wolf, The Wolf's Revenge. Not only are we going to ride it and kind of tell you our experience for our first time riding it, we're also going to do our POV.
Yep.
So how the POVs work here at Williamsburg, if you have a GoPro, a wrist mount strap, or a chest mount strap, all you got to do is go to Welcome Center and get them to check it out. They'll hand you a card and you show that at each ride that you want to do a record.
Yep.
Outside of that, let's go ride The Wolf's Revenge.
Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up your harness and
for life, right?
enjoy your ride on the Big Bad Wolf, The Wolf's Revenge. Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up your harness and exit carefully to your right, taking all personal head back against the headrest. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up your harness and exit carefully to your right lane.
Alright guys, so we just got off of the Big Bad Wolf, The Wolf's Revenge. We rode it twice already. Front row for the main POV. That was great. Very smooth ride.
The view was great on the front row, and the ride was very smooth and honestly not as, what's the word?
Thrilling? Or not really thrilling, but...
It was thrilling, but it didn't feel as fast in the front row.
Yeah.
The middle felt faster when we rode it the second time.
Yeah, the second time we rode in the middle, and it felt a lot more thrilling, a lot more faster.
Yeah.
But that front row, you get like everything.
Yes, it's a great view. It was really fun in the front.
Definitely recommend this ride. Probably almost challenging for my #1 favorite ride in the park.
Yeah.
Pantheon probably still beats it by a little bit, but outside of that, it's a really fun ride. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all did, help us out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.